What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So in my stash I have some wreath rings here, and I was looking at the wreath on my door, and it needs an update. Warmer weather is here, and I want to go ahead and make something different. For some time now I have been watching on Amazon. Does anybody else do that when the prices go up and down? I've been watching lamb's ear, and I saw that this packet here for 5 feet garland had went down from anywhere from like $18 and went down to $10, and I was like, bingo, time to purchase. So I went on and picked up the lamb's ear, and I had seen a wreath made with lamb's ear, and it was so pretty. And so my idea is that I wanted to do something different. I wanted to make like a Mickey or Minnie wreath, because y'all know I'm out the box like that. I'm weird, I know. And I really wanted something different. So I am going to go ahead and I've got some little zip ties that I had my husband pick up from Home Depot for me, and while he was there. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the little zip ties and zip tie those two pieces together. I'll probably do them at the joint right here and the joint right there, and see how that looks. And then go ahead and fill in the lamb's ear and tie that, and have the zip tie going around the back of that, and see how that goes. Hopefully, I believe 10 foot. I'm pretty sure I'll have enough, and see how that look. And then of course, anybody that's not new to my channel knows that I love bling. So I want to put something in the middle with my last name starts with an R, so I want to put something in the middle with an R, and then add some bling to it, and just make it sort of simple in the middle. But let's see how it turns out. Okay, so the first thing I did was grab my scissors and take off the tags, snip my tags off. And these wreath rings, I don't know if I mentioned them. Of course, I picked them up at the Dollar Tree. They were just in my stash. I've had them for a while. And then these ties, like I said, I needed some smaller ones, so I had my husband pick them up. I didn't want them too thick. And so I tried to match up the lines here. As you can see, the line in the wreath, and the smaller wreath, and then the bigger wreath. And then I found that it was easier to do the attachments if I put them on the back side. So I turned them both over on the back, and then I went from there. So I just took the tie, pulled it real tight, got it to where I wanted to, and then I snipped them off. As you can see here, I pulled it tight, and then I'm just seeing how it went once I did that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add several on each side. And here I started with 2 and 2 just to get stable, and then it just kind of depends on actually when I did them one side, I actually ended up with more on one side than the other. So there's no count here. It's just whatever is gonna make it stable. So once I got them stable, And then as you can see here, they're kind of even up on one side. I just lined up the little lines there, one on one side, and as you can see, that one's still kind of flapping back and forth, so I put extras there. And then all I did was take my lamb's ear and then I just unraveled it, and then as you can see, I have my little ream of floral wire down at the bottom of the screen, and I'm just going to take my floral wire and then I'm going to play around with it and just loop it around. I used for the top part, I just looped around the ears one time, and then for the big part in the middle, I looped it around twice. So I didn't get to show all that in filming, but as you can see here, I'm just wrapping the wire around there and putting it down, as I said. So here I am just adding bling to the middle the middle piece to hang for my last name. And then I'm just going to hang that down the middle and show you how it looked on the door. I thought this was a unique piece and I love how it turned out. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And thanks for watching, Craftinistas.